Hi, I'm Dr. X Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today we're going to be talking about hidden causes for low back pain. One very common hidden cause is actually something called gut dysbiosis. And gut dysbiosis is where the ecology or the environment of your gut gets disrupted. This can be from high sugar diets, processed foods, overconsumption of those types of foods, lots of sugar, maybe even just doing too many grains, or medication like antibiotics or steroids can cause that ecology to shift. And instead of having a high population of good probiotics, we can get things that overpopulate like candida. And what happens is it causes lots of inflammation in the lower abdominal area, and that spills over into congestion in the lymphatics and can cause different muscles that support your hip and your low back to become tight. It can be the hidden cause of your low back pain. Another common cause is going to be the kidneys. We've seen a lot of people come in with some really severe low back pain, and the root cause of it was actually their kidneys. It could have been as simple as they were dehydrated, it caused the kidneys to tighten up, or it could be from excessive caffeine intake, excessive energy drinks, or they have a hidden infection, which can be picked up from doing a simple urinalysis, which can be treated naturally or sometimes even medically with the right medication. That causes a lot of low back pain because the kidneys are right there in the mid to lower back and have a lot of pained nerve endings that sense pain in your kidneys, and so that inflammation hits the stretch receptors, so it just almost feels like it's like straight muscles, and so that is something very important to rule out as well. And then we have another one that's actually very common, and it's called adrenal fatigue or hypoadrenia. And what we have learned is when the adrenal glands get chronically tired through different neurological relationships with particular muscles like the gracilis that stabilize the low back, those muscles will actually start to lose a bit of neurological tone, which means the muscle tonicity will actually relax, and that causes the pelvis to be unstable. It can be the cause or the culprit of your chronic low back pain. And then we have something called functional short leg. And so the opposite of functional short leg would be an anatomically short leg, where there's actually an anatomical reason, such as a short bone or some past trauma, that causes one leg to be shorter than the other, which causes an instability in the gait to where you're always overloading one side. And so you get an imbalance in muscles, and that can lead to ligament strain, joints slipping out of place, which is called a subluxation, which leads to nerve irritation and splinting in the low back. And there are many things to consider with functional short leg, from the actual foot being out of alignment. Some people actually need orthotics to get supination or pronation, which is different angles of the foot to get that balanced, so that we don't cause that short leg syndrome, or to even raise the heel up just a little bit. That can be a common reason. And then your knee can actually be out of alignment, or your fibular head. So these are all things that chiropractors are able to check and assess. We're looking for hidden causes of low back pain. And then we have something that has become epidemic, and that is forward head posture. And so forward head posture is when basically instead of having a nice tall posture, your head is coming forward. You're more in that rounded shoulder position. You're more kyphotic. So that means that you're more in a flexed position. And we see that because of the posture with working at a desk, computers, tech neck, using iPhones, gaming devices, where we stay for long periods of time in that forward posture. And what happens is you stay over contracted in the anterior chain of muscles like your pecs and anterior delts. And then the back muscles or posterior chain muscles actually become weaker. And you memorize that posture, and what it does, it takes your very heavy head and pushes it forward. So now you're having to use bigger low back muscles to become postural muscles, which will cause the quadratus lumborum is one of the main muscles. You have two of those to have to stay splinted to hold you up, and that will lead to low back pain. And so chiropractic Chiropractors are very good at assessing that, finding the root cause of these things, and actually fixing them. So hey, if you have low back pain, chronic low back pain, and you're looking for a holistic solution, you want to get to the root cause of that, treat it conservatively, give our office a call at 337-478-1313. I'm Dr. X Snow, helping you transform your health naturally.